So hey everyone, I have not yet figured out how to video a painting in live action. So I'm going to try to narrate some of this out for you. I sketched out this cow before I actually started painting it, and there you can see my whole setup. Those are the colors that I used, all kind of basic colors. And you always want to have 2 water jars to clean your brushes. I laid down the background colors there, and if you'll see the little specks that were on the painting, that was salt that you sprinkle on top of it. There's the salt right there, and by sprinkling the salt it leaves a little bit of a texture, as you can see down at the bottom right. Here I've went ahead and I've laid in some more blocks of color. Cow's kind of starting to take shape a little bit. Got a little bit more character. His eyes are put in, and there's a close-up of that texture I was talking about. You sprinkle that salt on the wet paint. There was almost the final, and there you go. That's my confused cow. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more as I figure out how to video this. I appreciate